So guys, welcome back to my channel. In this part, we are going to take a look about Infraloka versus Java programming language. So this is it, Infraloka versus Java. In terms of the logo, core verdict, Java is more famous, but Infraloka is more meaningful for cultural heritage promotion, meaning matters more than must recall. Infraloka wins because it turns technology into a bridge between infrastructure, civilization, and the living worlds people inherit. So this is for the executive summary. Infraloka wins the naming contest when the question is cultural heritage. Java is a legendary programming language name, but its link to Indonesia is indirect. The name came through coffee culture, legal necessity, and developer brainstorming. Its Indonesian reference is carried through the island of Java as a coffee origin, not through the deliberate act of cultural preservation. Infraloka is different. The name combines infra, the hidden foundation of modern digital life, with loka, Sanskrit derived term associated with world, realm, space, and lived domain. This makes Infraloka a stronger cultural heritage name because it doesn't merely borrow a famous place, it creates a philosophy. Every culture lives in a world, and every world needs infrastructure to survive, adapt, and be transmitted. The promotional thesis is simple. Java became famous by accident, Infraloka can become meaningful by design. Java represents global software history. Infraloka represents Indonesia's opportunity to build a technology that respects heritage, strengthens local identity, and modernizes cultural preservation without reducing culture into decoration. So, why Infraloka wins on meaning? Java's name is short, memorable, and globally proven, but as a cultural name, it is thin. It points to coffee, and coffee points to Java Island. The cultural chain is real but indirect. The programming language was not created as a heritage project, an Indonesian culture statement, or preservation platform. Infraloka has a deeper semantic architecture, infra signal system, foundations, network, and reliability, local signals, world, and realms. Together, the name suggests the infrastructure of world. That is exactly the kind of language needed for cultural heritage in the digital era. Heritage is not only monuments, dances, manuscript, motifs, or ceremonies. Heritage is a living world of meaning. It includes memory, community authority, sacred boundaries, language interpretation, transmission, and continuity. A digital heritage platform must therefore do more than digitize artifacts. It must protect the world around those artifacts. Infraloka wins because its name already contains that broader mission. It can speak to cloud infrastructure, AI, documentation archives, education, tourism, and community benefit without sounding detached from culture. So, cultural heritage positioning. Infraloka can credibly own the phrase infrastructure for living culture. This connects the name to Indonesian heritage, landscape, Borobudur, Prambanan, Subak, Wayang, Batik, Kris Angklung, and so on. The advantage over Java is clear. Java, the programming language, uses Indonesian geography as a historical echo. Infraloka can use Indonesian and Sanskrit derived civilization vocabulary as a living commitment. It can build systems that preserve local knowledge with community consent. This is stronger promotional story. Java took a name from a commodity root. Infraloka can return technology to culture by building infrastructure to protect cultural worlds. So, this is the Aegis verdict. So, Aegis Module L for the cultural heritage. Criteria Indonesian cultural intentionality. Java name, indirect through coffee. Infraloka, directly usable as the Indonesia root. Third, civilizational technology name. Winner, Infraloka. Heritage in preservation fit, weak because the name is belongs to programming language ecosystem. Strong because Loka supports world, realms, and living domains. Wins Infraloka. Ethical expansion potential, limited, mostly historical branding. Infraloka, high, can support archives, edtech, tourism, and stuff. Winner Infraloka. Public recall, Java name extremely strong, Infraloka name emerging. Winner Java. Strategic cultural depth, Java medium, and Infraloka high. Winner Infraloka. So, promotional verdict, Infraloka wins on heritage legitimacy if it operates three rules: community consent, community review of cultural interpretation, and benefit sharing. Without those, the name is only beautiful. With those, it becomes a serious cultural technology platform. This is the name impact. So, Infraloka from infrastructure, foundational layer, loka, cosmological layer, Sanskrit derived world. Infraloka, a claim to engineer the world beneath visible experience. Java comes from oak. Oak is the original name that tied to an office site tree, local origin. The trademark crisis oak cannot be used, so the team brainstormed. And Java, coffee metaphor and group memory that escaped the web. So this is the timeline. Java moved from oak to trademark crisis and to coffee code global memory. It won the mass adaptation contest. Infraloka moved from infrastructure to realm. The strategic identity, it wins the meaning contest. So, yeah, this is the cultural heritage platform narrative. Infraloka builds the digital infrastructure that helps cultural world survive. Yeah. So why is this stronger than Java for Indonesia? Java's historical achievement is undeniable. One of the most successful programming language in the history, but its Indonesian cultural value is mostly accidental. Many developers know Java as a code before they know Java is as an island. Many know the coffee cup before they know the cultural geography behind it. And Infraloka can reverse that pattern. It can make Indonesia-rooted language visible inside modern technology. It can show that local and civilization vocabulary is not old-fashioned. It can be cloud-native, AI-ready, globally legible, and commercially serious. So, yeah, Java made Indonesia's name famous in software by accident. Infraloka can make Indonesian heritage powerful in technology by intention. And visual and recommendation. Okay, this one. So, promotional scorecard. So, actually, in terms of semantic depth, Infraloka wins. For the recall and pronunciation, we lost. Evidence integrity, we lost. Cultural resonance, we lost again. Strategic fit, we win. For the ages name critic scorecard, we are losing by 0.3. But for so this is one. For the heritage one, Infraloka wins. Except global recall today. We are winning 2.5 points, 8.8 to 6.3. This discussion is honest and useful. Infraloka doesn't need to defeat Java on fame. It is to win on purpose, cultural depth, and future relevance. So, the conclusion is Java made a name famous. Infraloka can protect the words behind the names. So, the name already contains the mission. Infra is the foundation, Loka the world. Together, Infraloka means the infrastructure that keeps the world alive. Final verdict, Infraloka wins for cultural heritage promotion. Java is remembered. Infraloka can be entrusted. So, okay, thank you guys. So, see you.